Hello my healthy people, welcome back to Maxinescorner. Today we are making some delicious gluten-free chocolate chip cookies, but we are not using chocolate per se. I'll explain to you later. So we have here half a cup of melted butter, half a teaspoon of vanilla, half a cup of sugar, and I am using Castro sugar. Everything for this recipe will be in the description box. Don't worry about it too much. Half of a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 cup of coconut sugar. Let's just mix everything here together so far. This smells really good, guys. Okay, and I do it this way so everything could be well incorporated. Now I have my egg. I have my flax eggs, and it's just 1 flax egg. And then mix this all together. Give it a nice mix so that everything could be well incorporated, including the flax eggs. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. So this is what we're looking for. It should be looking like that, okay? 1/2 teaspoons of salt. Be sure to preheat the oven at 350 degrees. So let's add 1 and 1/2, okay? Make sure everything is well incorporated. I'm gonna put this down and just fold everything in. I'm adding my chocolate chip, and this is sweetened Carob drops. They are not chocolate chips, they are Carob drops. But it's very good. It's just as good as chocolate. Tastes really good. This is what I use now. It's a plant. Have great health benefits. Just like that. My oven is being preheated at 350 degrees. And I just want to make sure everything is well incorporated as far as this recipe is concerned. That's what we want. That's what we're looking for. And let's get ready to assemble our cookies. Okay, my healthy people, I have my cookie sheet here. I am using a large cookie scooper, or you could call it an ice cream scooper. It's up to you. I'm using a large. So I'm going to scoop this out. This should give me about 6. Okay. And then I'm just going to put it here. And once I do that, I like to go in and just kind of clean it up a little bit. Clean up the sides. Make sure everything is good. And that's pretty good. And I want to space them out because I know that they're going to spread. So I'm going to give them more than enough space. And just put this little one all the way over here. And that's how you have to space them out, because they will spread. Put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes or till golden brown. I'll be back. Here we have our Carob chips cookies, and just so you guys know, I waited for them to cool all the way down, and they are perfect. Look at this. Look. Let me move this out the way. Here we have it. Absolutely delicious and perfect cookies. These are perfect for the entire family. Go ahead and make them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you're someone that can't have chocolate, these are perfect for you, and you're welcome. Subscribe. It's absolutely free. I'll see you guys next time in another video, and say it with me, stay healthy.